and it says for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. So you can put this on your face, and you can see it's slightly red there. Another one for £3. Was this, it's very bright, I don't know why it's so bright, was this pot plant.
Hello and welcome to another shopping haul. Today we went shopping in TKMaxx, Homesense and Primark, and I got some amazing items. So if you want to see what I purchased, keep watching. So we're going to start off with what I purchased in Primark. The first item that I got from Primark were these gorgeous wedges. They're really nice, very comfortable. They're suede and they have a buckle, and the buckle has 2 loops. And I love the detail on this buckle. And these were in a size 7 and they were £14 and reduced to £7. They are an amazing purchase and they are perfect for the summer. Another item that I purchased from Primark was this plant pot, and it was £5 and it comes with a gold stand. Now this would go perfect in our downstairs cloakroom. It's really nice and I like this design. So you could use the plant on its own if you wish, but for £5 I don't know if it's worth just having the plant on its own. I think this just adds a little bit of character to the plant pot, and it's from Primark Home. Another item that we purchased from Primark was this gorgeous elephant. And it has a beautiful pattern all over it. £4.50 from Primark Home. It's very heavy, very good quality, and it's very well made. And each leg has a pad at the end of it so that it doesn't damage any surface area. It was £4.50 and it will look amazing in our downstairs bathroom. Another item that we purchased from Primark £6, and you get a white pot with a faux plant, and as you can see in there it's got stones inside which are obviously glued down. The plant is on a wooden stand and it's well made because there's some pads at the end of each leg so that it doesn't scratch any surface area that you place this on. Yeah, very good. I like this. We saw similar items in TKMaxx which were double the price. So yeah, I think that's a really good purchase. Another item I purchased from Primark Home were these reusable travel jars, and they were £1.50 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's open them and see what they look like inside. So this is your small one. You remove the lid and then you've got another lid inside. And there you can put things like your eye cream for the smallest ones, all the way through to your body cream that you might want to take, but you don't want to take the whole tub with you. So you get that tiny one, which is really cute and dinky. And I like the fact that it's got a second lid inside so that your products don't spill out into your suitcase. Very nice. Another item I purchased from Primark was this t-shirt. It was £8, very good quality, perfect casual wear, and it was reduced to £3. So there we go, there's the t-shirt. Another t-shirt that I purchased from Primark was this Brooklyn t-shirt, and it was £2.50 and it's in a size large. Another one that was purchased, another gorgeous t-shirt was this one. And all these t-shirts were purchased from the menswear department. Another one for £3. Last item I purchased from Primark was this black cardigan in a size medium, and it was £5.50. It has gold buttons down the cuffs, and it is a scoop neck with gold buttons all the way down the centre, and you get 2 spare buttons. The quality is good, perfect for the summer and really good for work. Now before I get on to my TKMaxx and Homesense items, we purchased some flowers from an IKEA pop-up shop. And we bought some flowers because we're going to do something slightly different with our picture frames. So we purchased this, and I think this was, it doesn't say the price on it. I'll leave the price on the screen here so you can see how much this was. So we bought one of these, and we bought one of these. I think we bought maybe a bit more. So the first item we bought from TKMaxx Homesense was this gorgeous box. It's like a suitcase, almost. It's got these catches on here. There we go, so it's a really nice box. And it's got the world map all over it. And it says, travel far, travel wide, and travel often. Nice, and this item was £9.99. Really nice box. There we go. So another item we purchased from TKMaxx was this grass pot on a stand. It was £16.99. The pot is ceramic grey and the stand is wooden, and there aren't any cushions on the bottom, so we just need to be very careful where we place this. And this will go in our downstairs bathroom. Another item we purchased were these trainer socks, these Nike trainer socks, and they were £5.99, and you get 3 pairs. So 3 pairs for £5.99 is brilliant. And the last thing I purchased from TKMaxx was this Paw multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. I've got this in the peach and it's so good that I thought I'm going to get it in the red, and I'm going to give it a go. Let's try this and see what it looks like on.
Let's just get the price off so I can try it on. There we go, right. Oh, it's sealed, which is always a good thing. Right, let's try that. Oh, here we go. Oh.
Nice. And it says, for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. So you can put this on your face, and you can see it's slightly red there.
Let's do that. Okay, this might not be. Let's just tap that in. Maybe I put a little bit too much, I think. Yeah, it's nice. I think it's very nice. I think it's perfect if you just want to give yourself a little bit of a glow.
On top of your makeup. And I think it looks lovely. It's brought my lipstick out even more. And my lipstick is by MAC. Yeah, I think it's brought my lipstick out even more. Nice, I like that. And that was for $2.99. This multi-purpose soothing balm is brilliant. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for more videos from me. Thank you for watching.